Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Masud. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how I managed to secure 8 potential property deals that are off market just by using the power of Facebook groups. Now, before I begin, I just want to say that this method is totally and absolutely free, and anyone with a Facebook account can probably do it. And the best thing is, it only took me about 2 days to get 8 new leads. Now, in the past couple of weeks, I have been trying to put in a little bit more effort, trying to go direct to vendor and actually posting the letters to houses. But it did involve me physically walking or going on my bike, or even, if I didn't go on my bike, I'd probably be driving. But driving on those specific roads up and down, looking at houses, which could be potential deals. So, as you can imagine, this does take a lot of time and energy to do by yourself. So, it led me to think there must be an easier way I could do this, a more efficient way, using my current array of skills. And that was when it hit me. I do have experience running Facebook ads, and that is something that I'm going to try, but it's probably another video. But the other thing I can do, which is absolutely free, it doesn't cost me any money, is just to really post an ad on Facebook Marketplace, which is exactly what I did. In the ad, I talk specifically about the kind of properties that I was after. I was after the most rundown, overgrown gardens, broken windows, boarded up doors, literally the worst house you could think of. I want that house and I'm looking to pay with cash. I can move quickly, and I would be remunerating the successful recommendation of any person who would be willing to help me with £1,000. And that is only if I manage to complete on that property. Just wanted to clarify that when I say I posted this ad in a Facebook group, I did this by posting first in Marketplace as a normal post, normal listing, and then when Facebook gave me the option to post in multiple other groups, that's when I listed my listing in other groups. So literally all we're doing is we're writing the copy or text that we wrote in our letter, and we're transferring it over onto the Facebook post. Now let's talk about the results. I had literally posted the ad for about, let's say, 2 hours, I think, and I had already gotten about 3 messages from people who were interested and had seen the ad and wanted to, sort of to inquire further and see if what I was saying was actually real and would I actually pay them £1,000. Of course, I did agree and reassure them that it was 100% legitimate and I would be paying them £1,000 if I was to successfully purchase the property that they recommended to me, with the address and, if possible, the owner as well. I wasn't actually expecting so many positive responses, but nevertheless, I did get some negative comments on that post from people who, thought I was a dirty landlord, which was a bit surprising to me because I actually thought I presented the opportunity in a way in which it was a win-win for both parties. I mean, I am offering the person who did recommend the house £1,000, so it's not like I'm just looking to, make money off people's efforts. So I don't know what was going on there. Anyhow, as you can see from the examples that I've shown across the screen, I did get a lot of inquiries, and I now have to I have the sort of difficult task of actually locating the owners. On some of these messages, a couple of the people that did inquire about the post did actually help me to locate the owners. But on the others, I kind of had to go through the land registry and pay the £3 to search up the title register and just see who was the actual owner of the land, to see if I can make contact with them. Now, making contact with the owner is probably it's kind of a tricky thing. What I do is I usually search Facebook, LinkedIn, maybe Google search as well. But if the person's name is quite common, like a Tom Smith or John Smith, or something along the lines of that, it's kind of like it's near enough impossible to find the owner, just because it's like too hard. So you kind of, after I've found the name, I'll probably just resort back to going direct to vendor. But the good thing is, I know that there is an opportunity there, and all I have to do is literally make contact with the owner and see if they're willing to sell their property. Or if they're not actually looking to sell at this current moment in time, maybe it's worth just taking their details down and just following up with them in a few months or every few weeks, just to see how the situation is and if anything has changed. Because I found as well in the past, as long as you stay in touch with your lead, it may manifest into an actual sale, or it may manifest in something greater than what you expected. The only thing that you have to do is really just put the effort in and follow up with your potential deal. So as you can see from my video today, using Facebook groups to acquire fresh new off-market properties is actually a very, very efficient way of doing something that could be a task which is very, very energy consuming. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it and you learned something new, please like it, and if you want to stay up to date with any future videos, you can also subscribe. Feel free to do that. It'll be really nice of you. Other than that, I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. So see you soon and take care.